take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which of the following would be performed by the auditor to make the final evaluation as to whether sufficient appropriate evidence has been accumulated? So if you're taking this question on Farhat Lectures, you could always ask farhat.ai to explain the topic about sufficient and appropriate evidence during the final evaluation, if that's what you want to do before you answer the question. But I hope that by the time you get to the questions, you already did your work. Great. Now, 1. Review the audit documentation for the entire audit. Do you have to do so as part of the final evaluation? I would say definitely you would need to review the documentation for the entire audit work. So this is 1, 1, and 1. We could eliminate C. Decide whether the audit program is adequate. Do you have to determine whether the program is adequate or not? Of course you do. Someone will have to make that determination as part of the final evaluation. Look, did they use the correct audit program? I'm sure they did this during the audit, but someone will check at the end. So I would say 2 is there. So this is 2, so A is eliminated. Now all we have to know is whether 3 is a yes or a no. Make sure that all parts of the audit program have been accurately completed. Do we have to make sure that everything is completed? Yes. Well, how about if it doesn't apply? We would just say not applicable. We answer it's not applicable, but we have to say it's not applicable. Therefore, all those 3 steps will have to be performed as part of the final evaluation to determine whether we have sufficient and appropriate evidence. Now, what you can do is you can ask the AI to explain the correct answer choice as well, differently if you would like to, or you could ask the AI to create a similar MCQ about the final evaluation to determine if you have enough evidence. What should you do? Whether you are an accounting student or a CPA exam candidate, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional lectures, resources, AI tools, podcast. Stay safe and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.